how are you? I hope you all are well. I am also good. So, tell me what is day today? Today the date is 2nd July 2021. Look here, 2nd July, 7th month 2021, and today the day is Friday. What is day today? Today is Friday. Our subject is English. So, in subject English, today we will learn a story. I will tell you a story. The name of the story is The Thirsty Crow. What is this? This is a crow. Crow fly in the sky and it is black in color. What is the meaning of thirsty? Thirsty means pyasa. This is the story of a thirsty crow. So, first of all, I will tell you the story of this thirsty crow who was very thirsty and who was searching water. Okay, and after that I will show you one experiment. That experiment you all have to do in your home. Okay, first you have to listen the story, then you have to do the experiment, and that experiment you have to make a video on that experiment and you have to send it to me. So, are you ready to listen the story? Yes. Okay, let's start. Once upon a time, in a village, there was a crow. He was flying in the sky and he was searching for water. Why? Because he was very thirsty and it was sunny day. He was looking for water here and there, and suddenly what he saw? He saw a pot under a tree, and what he did? He flew down and tried. Then the crow sat on the pot. He peeped under the pot. What he saw? Little water in the pot. He tried a lot to drink water, but his beak was very small. He was not able to drink water. And then do you know what he did? He saw some pebbles near the pot. He picked up one pebble and threw it in the pot. Then he picked another pebble and threw it in the pot. See how he is doing? He picked the pebble and threw it in the pot. And then slowly he threw all the pebbles in the pot, and after that, do you know what happened? The water came up. Can you see the water? Yes. So the water came up. So what the crow did? He drank water and then flew away. Students, look here. This is a glass, and in the glass you can see water. And what are these? These are pebbles. So what I am going to do? I am going to put all these pebbles inside this glass. And what you have to observe? You have to observe that the water level will go up. So students, look carefully. Where is the water level now? Here. So in this way, the crow used his mind. He picked up all the pebbles and threw it under the pot, and water came up. He drank water and then flew away. In the same way, you have to try this activity at home. Before this, the water level was here, and now you can see the water level is at this place. Okay, so try to do this activity. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. So students, how was the story? Good. So what is the moral of the story? Tell me. The moral of the story is we have to use our mind. We have to work wisely. then we are in trouble. So what the crow did? He picked up the pebbles and threw in the pot. The water came up, he drank water and then flew away. He used his mind. So we have to always use our mind. We should not afraid with the problems. Okay? So do the experiment, listen the story. Fine? Goodbye. Take care of yourself.